Join me as I try to whip up the perfect burrito casserole in under 60 seconds. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for quick and delicious meal options that can satisfy your cravings without breaking the bank or taking up too much of your time. That's where Burrito Casserole comes in. It's a game changer for busy nights when you need something fast, flavorful, and filling. We've all been there. It's 6 p.m., you're starving, and the last thing you want to do is spend an hour in the kitchen cooking up a storm. But at the same time, you don't want to sacrifice taste for convenience. That's the ultimate struggle, right? You want something that's going to hit the spot without requiring a culinary degree or a bunch of fancy ingredients. It's especially tough when you're trying to get a healthy meal on the table too. You don't want to rely on takeout or fast food, but sometimes it feels like the only option when you're short on time. But fear not, friends, Burrito Casserole is here to save the day. Fast, easy, and ridiculously tasty. What more could you ask for in a weeknight dinner? Moving on to the fun part, let's talk ingredients. The best thing about Burrito Casserole is that you probably already have most of the ingredients in your pantry. We're talking ground beef, canned tomatoes, tortillas, cheese, and beans. Simple stuff. Just brown the beef, add in some spices and tomatoes, and you're golden. While that's cooking, you can prep your other ingredients. Chop up some onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes, and get your tortillas ready to go. It's all about streamlining the process, so you can get this casserole in the oven as soon as possible. One more thing, don't be afraid to get creative with your ingredients. Add in some diced jalapenos for an extra kick, or some sour cream for an extra burst of flavor. The beauty of Burrito Casserole is that it's totally customizable to your taste. Alright, it's time to build our masterpiece. In goes the beef mixture, followed by the tortillas, cheese and veggies. Repeat that process a few times and finish it off with a layer of cheese on top. It's a colorful, textured beast of a casserole, and I am so here for it. Into the oven it goes, and 20 minutes later, you'll have a hot, bubbly, utterly delicious burrito casserole that'll satisfy even the pickiest of eaters. So there you have it, a mouth-watering burrito casserole that's quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Who knew dinner could be so simple? Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have a favorite burrito ingredient, let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more quick and easy recipe ideas, be sure to check out my other videos. There are plenty of tasty options to choose from.